dear all my Indonesian colleagues. Today we want to talk about something important for Indonesia's economy, the threat of a market bubble. Imagine this, stock prices are soaring, everyone's excited, but behind the scenes, there's manipulation. This is what we call stock price inflation, where unethical practices distort the true value of stocks. So, how does this happen? Well, there are a few common tactics. First, we have pump and dump schemes. That's where false information is spread to inflate prices, and then insiders sell off at those high prices, leaving regular investors in the lurch. Now, next, insider trading, using privileged info to manipulate prices. Then misrepresenting a company's financial health to attract investments. And don't forget wash trades, where trades are made to create the illusion of market activity without having any catalyst to justify the price increase. You can see the price-to-earnings ratio significantly out of line with industry averages without any justifiable reason. The risks are huge for the small investors, and hence OJK has to do something from this end before the crash happened. Retail investors often buy at these inflated prices and suffer big losses when the bubble bursts. Market instability and volatile investments become the norm, eroding trust. And if bodies like Indonesia's OJK fail to curb these practices, they risk losing all credibility. We can learn from other countries how they solve this issue. In the US, the SEC takes a hard stance on market manipulation, with hefty fines and even imprisonment for offenders. China has faced its own crises and responded with strict regulations on any illegal practices in the capital market. The EU's market abuse regulation standardizes rules across member states to prevent insider trading and market manipulation. So what does Indonesia need to do? First, strengthen oversight. The OJK should increase transparency, enforce strict auditing standards, and monitor unusual trading patterns in real time. The main focus is to certain companies that, let alone OJK, normal people like us can see the anomalies. They are basically the companies with enormous market capitalization with no strong correlation in their actual financial performance. Second, raising more public awareness is crucial at this moment. Retail investors need to understand the dangers of speculation buying the suspicious companies' shares, and they should focus more on company fundamentals. Third, regulatory independence is also a key. The OJK must ensure it's free from undue influence, especially related to any political deals. Lastly, adopting global best practices from the SEC, CSRC, and EU can enhance monitoring and enforcement capabilities. Unchecked stock price inflation threatens financial markets and investor confidence. By adopting robust regulatory frameworks and global best practices, Indonesia can protect its investors and maintain a stable, trustworthy capital market. Transparency, accountability, and proactive enforcement are crucial for long-term market integrity. Hope this short video is useful, and thanks for tuning in. Let's make sure that we work together and do something with regulators to stop the fraud and avoid any suspicious activities occurring in the capital market, unless otherwise it could jeopardize the future of the Indonesia's economy.